Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter in geography, weather and climate. So my dear students, weather and climate of an area affect the people living in that particular area. So weather and climate, it affect where the people are living, their food habits, their dresses, everything. Crop cultivation is determined according to the prevailing climate, and crop also, that means agriculture, also depend on climate. For example, it is not possible to grow rice in an area that doesn't receive sufficient rainfall. We know already, we have read in the previous class that for the growth of rice, enough rainfall is needed. So if the farmers wants to grow rice in the areas which receives very less rainfall or the dry region, then it is not possible, because for the growth of rice, standing water is needed in the field. So the changes in weather can be observed in atmosphere which surround us. We can feel the weather is changing. The atmosphere absorbs or deflects the incoming ultraviolet rays or other charged particles. We know that atmosphere has many layers, and atmosphere which contains ozone layer that protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Now dear students, I will tell you about the definition of weather and climate. As you can see in this picture, it is already given. The meaning of weather is short-term variation in atmosphere. Short-term variation in the atmosphere is known as weather. So weather was good yesterday. So weather, it can change day to day. Weather it may change hour to hour. This means that weather was that is as it is yesterday, that written that yesterday weather was good. Maybe the today weather is not so much good. So weather may be distinguished into hot, cold, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or calm, etc. Now, in the right side it is written, weather condition over long period is known as climate. So, climate is the average of weather condition over a long period of time at a particular place. Some scientists define climate as the average weather for a particular region and time period, usually over 30 years. So it is really an average pattern of weather for a particular region. Climate changes had become a burning issue of worldwide. So climate doesn't change every day, weather changes every day, and climate is generally changed after 30 to 35 years later. Now I will tell you the differences between weather and climate. So weather is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere, and climate is the average weather conditions of a place, usually measured over 1 year. Weather includes temperature, rainfall and wind, but climate includes temperature and rainfall. Weather changes from place to place, even in a small locality. Climate is different in different large areas. Crop growth, development and yield are decided by weather in a given season, and selection of crops suitable for a place is decided based on climate of the region. Weather is a typical physical condition of the atmosphere, but climate is a generalized condition of the atmosphere which represents and describes the characteristics of a region.